Come on. Just get it, Crystal.
Stuck to the plan. Always said that we would stand up, never ran. We have been loyalty, never change up. And down since day one, look at where we came from. Jumping out on anybody who try to say something. One thing about it, got a problem, I got the same one.
Yes! Yes!
Follow the same code.
Okay guys, I just got done telling my Instagram story, but I just pulled 300 pounds, and that was my overall goal for the year. That was something that I really, really badly wanted to hit. I had gotten higher on my squats this year, I had gotten higher on my bench this year, but deadlifts are like my one true love, and I made a lot of progress this year with my deadlifts, but I really wanted to break 300 pounds and literally was crying afterwards, and I think it was just like adrenaline and everything. But I'm so happy. Like I can't even explain to you like the happiness that I have right now. What an awesome day. But I'm glad that I got it on film, because that is something I can look back on now. And when I hit 315 or 350 or 375, I can look back on the moment I was excited that I just got 300. Gosh, I'm excited. That is so exciting. I hope I can get it in the next few weeks as well. A lot of times I'll get a PR, I won't get it for a couple weeks, and then I'll get it back again. So I think just kind of the muscles working harder, getting stretched a little bit more makes it harder to come back as strong the next week. So I'm super excited. I'm super proud that my workout program that I made for myself has been able to get me strength in all 3 of my lifts, and especially my deadlifts, because that's my favorite. I'm so happy right now, I can't even explain it. Hope you're excited with me. Thank you for watching this. I'm so excited. I don't even know. Anyways, thank you.
Alright, y'all, so today is pretty much a simple vlog. Not very much footage at all. Crystal hit 300 pounds on deadlift. I'm super proud of her. I want to like iterate the importance of this, because she has pretty much only done a ketogenic diet. Like I think she had like 4 or 5, maybe 6 months where she was lifting while eating carbs, but then shortly after that's when I kind of influenced her a little bit, you know, and told her to go keto, and she's been keto pretty much ever since. So her only time lifting really prior to keto was like 4 or 5, 6 months tops. And a lot of people in the keto space and outside of the keto space say, yeah, you know, they'll point to people like me, Danny Vega, you know, Jason Whitrock, all these people, and say, you know, Goody Beats, like all these people, and say, hey, you know, y'all look great, but you had a lot of muscle before you ever started keto. So that doesn't really indicate that keto can build muscle. When people tell me that, I often point to Crystal, because Crystal has only pretty much done keto. Like, she was not strong beforehand, and she just pulled 300 pounds very cleanly on deadlift. So super proud of her. She's done all that with keto. She has not gotten off keto. It's been strict keto for years now, and she's obviously putting on muscle. So super proud of her there. Congrats, Crystal. Her family, not her family, but her sister and nephew Harrison is in for the week. So I'm going to get off the video. I'm going to get off the camera. I'm going to go spend some time with them. Then we're going to go to the steakhouse or something right now and get some food, because we're all getting hungry. I'm hoping they have prime rib, because I've been craving prime rib. Let's go see if they got it. We got Jacko. Let me get Heather first. She's the star of the show.
Oh yeah.
And then we got Crystal, the real star of the show right here.
Harrison!
Look at those cheeks. He's got muscles in places I've never even heard of. How many is this now, total?
3.
3 for you?
3 for her, 12
and
for the family.
12 for the family?
Yeah, crazy.
We better get to work, baby.
No.